I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn on the two-finger scroll feature in Windows 11. Are you looking to enhance your navigation experience on your Windows 11 computer and make scrolling through web pages, documents, and your digital world smoother and more intuitive? The two-finger scroll feature on touchpad-equipped Windows 11 devices is a game changer for efficiency and ease of use. In this video, I'll guide you through enabling two-finger scroll in Windows 11, transforming your touchpad into a more powerful tool for seamless navigation. Whether you are browsing the internet, working on lengthy documents, or exploring your photo library, this feature is sure to boost your productivity. Step 1. Navigate to your Windows 11 home screen and then press the Windows and I keys to open your Windows Settings app. Step 2. Click Bluetooth and Devices in the menu along the left side of the screen. Bluetooth options are shown on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down this menu and then click to expand Touchpad. Touchpad options are displayed. Step 4. Navigate to the Gestures and Interaction section and then click to expand Scroll and Zoom. Step 5. Click to place a checkmark in the box next to drag two fingers to scroll. Going forward, when you drag two fingers down over your mouse touchpad, you'll scroll down the screen you're looking at. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.